At Architect Made, we want to move away from the prevalent throwaway culture. We work with architects that have made timeless products that you don't get tired of looking at. At Architect Made, we take great pride in selecting the best materials. It's precision craftsmanship. We make things by hand. We check the quality in each and every product throughout the process. At Architect Made, we make timeless products that last. Products you never want to throw away and will want to pass on for generations.